What's up everyone, TechCloud here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play your Android games on your TV using the Nvidia Shield. You can play these games either in 720p or 1080p. So you have both options, and it runs good in both 720p and 1080p. However, I will prefer the higher frame rates, which are close to 60 frames at 720p. At 1080p it drops down to, let's say, mid 30s or something like that. So in order to play these games on TV, you need HDMI to mini HDMI cable, and you need Nvidia Shield, as you can see here. So this is the mini HDMI cable end, and the other end will be full HDMI, as you can see here. So the mini HDMI end actually will be plugged into Nvidia Shield port over here, which is the mini HDMI. As you can see, the Nvidia Shield has mini HDMI output here. So this mini HDMI works better than MHL cable. So as soon as you plug in the cable, you will see this dialog on your screen. It will ask you whether you want to enter the console mode or not. If you want in 720p, then cancel this one, and if you want to play in 1080p, then you need to press enter console mode. So as you can see, right now I'm playing GTA San Andreas at 720p, and right now I'm using the Nvidia Shield controller, and it is actually showing on both screens, on TV and as well as on Nvidia Shield, because I'm not using the console mode. As you can see, it is running very smooth, and it is running very close to that 60 frame mark, because it looks pretty smooth here. So now I'm going to run the dead trigger 2 in 720p mode as well. As you can see on the top left corner, the TV is showing it 720p at 60p. So this is the dead trigger, and sorry about the brightness, because I was not using the auto exposure mode, rather I was using manual exposure, and I didn't check that after playing the GTA San Andreas, the brightness is a little too much for the camera. But actually I just want to show you the frame rates and how it looks, the gaming on TV using the Nvidia Shield.
Kaboom! Noise! Hell yeah!
So now let's enter into the console mode by pressing this enter console mode button, and Nvidia Shield will actually reboot into the console mode, and the Nvidia Shield screen will go black, and the TV will show all the screen over here. And as you can see, there is a notification on the top which shows that Nvidia Shield is now running in the console mode. and you can tell actually from the screen as well. Now the icons and the top bar, status bar, is smaller because it is in 1080p. So now I'm running GTA San Andreas at the same max settings that I was running in 720p, and let's see how it runs on 1080p. The good thing about the console mode is that you don't have to use the Nvidia Shield controller, rather you can use any Bluetooth controller and play wirelessly just like your gaming console like PS3, PS4 or any other consoles. Such things really make the Nvidia Shield one of the best mobile consoles available in the market. As far as the graphics improvement is concerned, the 720p and 1080p graphics at this particular game looks very similar. There is a very minor difference between the two graphics. Yes, it is looking slightly sharper, but it's not still as sharp as a 1080p game should be. However, you can see it is running very smooth again, although it is running in 1080p mode, and still it is running in very good frame rates. As you can see once again on your top left side, that TV is showing that it is running in 1080p. So now let's run the Dead Trigger 2 again in 1080p, and you will see the difference in the graphics. As you can see once again in the top left corner of the TV, it is showing that it is now running in 1080p.
Here I come. I will take you down.
Straight away I can see the graphics are actually much sharper, and it is looking much nicer on 1080p screen of the TV, because it is now running in 1080p instead of 720p. The frame rates are actually little bit you can say slower side than before, but it's still pretty much playable, and it's above the 30 frame mark, so which means it is very much playable. It is probably close to 35, 40, 45, something like that.
Hold on. Oh shit.
This is another level, as you can see, another mission, and it is also running in 1080p and looking beautiful on the screen. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the video and find this video useful and helpful, and subscribe for more videos like that. Take care and see you later. Bye.